So in the interest of everyone's enjoyment, please stay close attention to the following announcements. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. We strongly recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened even when the sign has been switched off, just in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. Please ensure that your seatbelt is visible over any clothing and blankets. That way the crew won't have to disturb you in flight. Do take care when you're opening the overhead compartments in case any items have moved around. Just to remind you again, smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes and other similar products is prohibited whilst on board. This includes in the lavatories, of course, which have been fitted with smoke detectors. Please note that you are not allowed to charge these devices from any onboard power supply. Any alcoholic drinks supplied by the cabin crew during the bar service can be consumed in flight, and this is in moderation only. The effects of alcohol do increase with altitude. We do ask any other alcoholic products that you have with you are not consumed on board. The crew will be looking forward to taking you on your holiday today, and we do ask that you treat the crew as you would like to be treated yourself, and you also treat your fellow passengers with the same courtesy and kindness that you expect in return. There's some additional safety information on the back page of the shop magazine. We do recommend you take a few minutes to read this. Thank you for listening. We'll come back to you in your individual cabins, giving you the information about today's flights in just a few minutes. Thank you.